Welcome to what may be potentially be words need to form. Welcome to the video series that might potentially be the hardest, saddest, and most exciting video series that this channel may ever see. My moving out series. It's crazy to say. Hello people who search the interwebs, my name is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. I swear I've worn this shirt for like multiple videos in a row because I don't want to leave the house because it's like very hot outside and it's been raining. So yippee, wet hotness is very fun, humidity. But anyways, today's video is episode 1 of my moving out series, which is hard to say, but you know what? I'm excited. I'm very excited. I will be attending the University of Colorado at Boulder. See you, Boulder, in the fall for 4 years because that's how college works. I guess it's not. You could graduate a year early. I don't know. Whatever. We're not getting into the logistics of college right now, but I am moving out. And my moving day is actually a day from tomorrow. August 15th is like the moving day, but I'm leaving on the 13th. Because it's like a 14-hour drive, so we have to take 2 days to do it because it's quite far away. But I'm very, very, very excited and nervous and sad. But I know this is like today's episode. I didn't plan this part out very well. So today's episode is cleaning out my room. I'm not moving out of my room until a month, but my brother and I are just trading rooms. I feel like that's very common for siblings to do, and one sibling moves out, the other sibling moves into that room, and just things get reversed. So I have the biggest room in our house. I also have my own bathroom. This door's the bathroom, this door's the door out of my room. So I do have the biggest room. It's also, the walls are pink, so that will be changed. But my brother and I are just going to change rooms. So a lot of this, some of the stuff will stay in here and some of it will be moved. I would show you the room I'm moving into, but all my brother's stuff is in there, and he's currently at football camp, so I don't want to like invade his privacy when he's not home. So it's a little bit, it's probably like half the size. It's like a little bit shorter and then a little bit in this way. So yeah, today I'm just gonna be cleaning things out, throwing garbage away out of the bathroom and out of my desk. Like it's just disgusting everywhere. My room is just a mess in general. I cleaned out my closet the other day. I was going to film a video, but I decided not to. I'm going to take all those clothes to Plato's Closet, though. It's all, like, old Brandy Melville stuff, like, things that they should take, and I have to clean out my closet at my mom's house. And then I'm just going to, like, reorganize the closet, because there's a lot of garbage in there. There's things everywhere that just need thrown away, donated, and I have a box right here. This is a very long intro, I apologize. A box right here. This is the start of my college stuff. So I'm just putting together a pile of all the things from my room that I want to take with me. I wrote it into a list as well, all the things I want to take. But some of the stuff, like my fan and my oil diffuser, and a couple other things like I'm still using every day, like my speaker and stuff. These are all things that I'm going to take with me as well. So let's start. I did a bathroom tour. Oh, is someone in my house? Someone at the door. Sorry if the lighting kind of sucks now. I just don't want people looking into my room. I did a tour of my bathroom like years ago and it looks the exact same. So I think I'm gonna start with the bathroom because I don't even know the last time I cleaned out my bathroom. It's really gross and half the stuff is garbage. It's just like my mom used to do all those subscription boxes, so there's just like random crap from like 5 years ago. Like random beauty products from like brands I've never even heard of, and just like probably expired stuff. And I bet I'm gonna find like 100 million like razors, like brand new razors in there, because every time I go to the store I buy new ones because I can't find any of the old ones, and I'm sure we're gonna discover them all. So trash bag in hand, starting with the bathroom. Let's do this, part 1. Yeah. I'm sorry, that sound is atrocious. I just thought I would really quickly, it looks like I have no pants on. I do, I promise. I have shorts on right there. Normally I would 1000% donate like all those like bags and stuff, but something like leaked in all the, like in this cabinet where a bunch of them were, and they're covered in like toothpaste and stuff, and a bunch of the bags were like, all the bags that I kept in the drawers are all, like the clean ones. All of those ones had like toothpaste spilled in them, or shampoo or conditioner spilled in them, or some like gross white sticky thing that was in here. I don't know what it is. I think it's moisturizer spilled in like all over the stuff, like in the pockets and stuff. So I just don't think it's that salvageable. So yeah, but I have a bunch of bags up here that I'm gonna donate. I just put them away for now so they're not on the floor, because I obviously still need to go to the bathroom. So now I'm gonna move on to my room, because yeah, why not? And I also filled up this entire trash can with just like old crap, half of which were like, the lids were like off and spilled everywhere. Like I had to wipe out the drawers. It was disgusting. Okay, so now we've acquired 2 more trash bags, one for trash, oh my gosh, and one for things to donate, like clothes that I know that like a Plato's Closet wouldn't take. That's what that pile of clothes is for. Plato's Closet, not this shirt. Hold on, that shirt is mine. like a pile of darn things for like some old shoes that are just like old and gross, but they're not gross enough to be donated, or they're not gross enough to be thrown away, so I'll just donate them. Some other random, I don't even know. A lot of garbage, a lot of random papers from like college application season stuff. Old notebooks from school that just could get thrown away, like there's no reason to have them. Yes. The papers, those will be recycled, not thrown away. You over here. So I'm gonna fold up the clothes for Plato's Closet and put it somewhere else. I'm taking them on Saturday at my mom's house, because I have to go through my clothes at her house really fast. So I'm just gonna fold it up. It's all like Brandy Melville stuff, like this shirt, this jacket thing from Target, a little crop t-shirt, some Lululemon shorts, this Brandy skirt, Brandy sweater vest, Tilly shirt, Brandy dress, 2 Brandy shirts, a Target skirt, a PacSun dress, a Target dress that I wore to like twerp, which is like kind of like a Sadie's dance. Levi's shorts, Urban Outfitters skirt thing, a Target swimsuit top that was never worn, and PacSun shorts. So maybe I'll do a little update video of what they took at the end of this if you're curious. This is editing Natalie. I'm in the same shirt, so do not judge. They took $150 worth of stuff. Granted, a couple things were my mom's and a couple things were my brother's, but they did not take the swimsuit top, the Brandy dress, one of the PacSun dresses, the Brandy Melville skirt, the blue Brandy Melville top, the Urban Outfitters yellow skirt thing, or I think there's one other thing, but I made 150. Well, my mom made 50 and I made 100, so I'd say that's pretty good. So now I can get a couple of new things for my closet. Hooray. Closet's done. It looks really good. Then, there's my bracelet right there. I'm gonna go through these. I think that I went through them not that long ago, so there shouldn't be anything that's like too bad besides just like some things to donate and like some garbage. And yeah, then the desk is pretty bad. The desk is probably the worst part. I'm not excited about doing that. Then I just have to do my little nightstand bookshelf thing, and then my shoes, and then I'm done. Yay. Didn't take that long. It's currently 3 and my computer's about to die. I should probably plug that in. Now for the dreaded desk. Hooray. So I actually cleaned off my bookshelf not too long ago, because I have, this is this is a little book poster that I made of my favorite books, because I want to make I saw Sarah Caroli, I think that's how you say her last name. She's a book talker. She's my favorite. Her, Disney Sidwell, and Haley Pham, and Jack Edwards, but I do not have a very similar taste in books to either to Jack Edwards or Haley Pham, but I still like to watch the videos. But Sarah Crowley had this really cute poster of like her favorite books, and they all had like significance and stuff. So I drew this out with the colors that I wanted, and I just put it right there to order it for my dorm room. And yeah, it's really ugly, so it's just chilling there. But I have like my book talk books in here. One day I'll do a bookshelf tour. I don't think I have enough yet, but and then these are all like my self-help books and my classics that I've had to read for like school and stuff. So yeah, we also have some random weights down here that like to stick to everything for some reason. And then all my stuffed animals live down here, and I have a couple like scrapbooks that friends have made me. So yes, last is the shoes, and I just need to put them away. And then there's one pair that I'm going to donate, and then 2 pairs I'm going to donate. Then the rest of them can be put back up on the shelf. Again, this is Editing Natalie. I totally forgot to end the video, but I hope you enjoyed episode 1 of my moving out series. I'm not exactly sure what other episodes I'm gonna do. I'll probably do like a decorating my dorm video and a move-in vlog for sure. I'm gonna try and film me shopping for stuff, but I've already got a ton of stuff, which I actually need to start bagging up because I'm moving. Yesterday was July 15th and I move in August 15th. So in 1 day, less than a month, is like my actual move in, but we're leaving on the 13th. So it's just like, it's coming so fast. So I hope you enjoyed episode 1, my moving out series. Sad. I'm not really sure what other videos I can make for this series, but you'll see. It might only be like a 3 episode series, but yes, I hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. There's gonna be so much fun content coming up. There's going to be, I already uploaded a dorm video, but I'm going to try and film a dorm shopping vlog. I'm going to film a move-in vlog. I'm going to film a dorm tour. I'm going to film my first day of college or my first week of college. I'm going to film like morning and night routines and vlogs in the first football game and stuff. And it's going to be so fun. And I want to document it all so I can look back on the memories. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's sad to think about it, but I'm also so excited to actually pick my... Well, I got pre-enrolled in 4 classes, and then I only have to pick 1 class, but I pick it on Monday, and then I have my whole schedule. So it's just, oh my gosh, it's just everything's happening so fast, but I'm so excited. So hope you enjoy. Again, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you're going to university or if you're moving out or any tips and tricks for that. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.